This poem is called The Rainy Day by Henry Wordsworth Longfellow. For the day is cold and dark and dreary. It rains and the wind is never weary. The fine it still comes to the merchant's wall. Merchant knows wall, but at every guest how the bright leaves fall, and the day is dark and dreary. My life is cold and dark and dreary, and winds and the wind is never full. I'm still coming to the northwest, but the hopes of roof are thick in the past, and the days are dark and dreary. Okay, but still be sad heart and thanks for waiting. Blind the doubt is the sun still shining. Tiny fate is the gain, non fate of all, and 2 weeks of into each life some rain must fall. Some days must be dark and dreary. Bye.